I said we got some shit on the way? Here's the shit. And it's here. And it's going on here. So, first and foremost, we are gonna take off this skid plate so I can get access to the lollipops. Gotta pray to God that I have that bolt size on a wrench, and then the bolt joint. Hopefully this isn't too much of a headache. I've gotten these control arms out before, so I think I can do it again. But we're swapping control arms, both inner and outer tie rods. We got knuckle adapters, and we got adjustable lollipops as well. Okay, I'm horrible at recording. Got the control arm off, tie rod disconnected, and I'm out of daylight. Haven't touched this side yet. Got all the bolts where they're supposed to go. Knuckle adapter and shit. So, next time, hopefully we'll be able to bust this side down. And I'm gonna go home and do some research because I'm kind of lost on how this shit's supposed to work. So, I'm gonna go home, watch some videos, and see if I can get a better understanding. All right, folks, we're out here again. It's hot. We got a control arm on. I think, I don't know if I'm doing this right. That doesn't seem very safe to me, but I can't seem to get any more threads out of it. So all we got left on the control arm side of things is to tighten this up, make sure that's tight. I need to go to the parts store and get some tie rods, some inner tie rods. But this is the progress so far. Knuckle adapter's on, just needs to be tightened. Control arm's on, just needs to be tightened. And we ain't got no front sway bar. I don't run one, so I don't gotta worry about that. Bust off the other side and then get that control arm on, and then we'll go get some tie rods. All right, so big progress again. No damn update. I don't have a new boot for this. I'm gonna put a bag with some zip ties here and here, just to keep the grease and fluid in there until I can get a boot. I haven't recorded much because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm kind of learning as I go. Shit kind of just doesn't really make sense. We got the tie rods. We got new inner tie rods. I was gonna go E90, but they don't have any around me, so. Got the control arms in tight. This bolt don't make sense to me, because if I tighten it too much, then the knuckle doesn't want to move. But if I don't tighten it enough, I feel like it's gonna vibrate off. So I don't know what to do there. Other side's installed, just gotta do the tie rods. Bolt this back up, put the wheels back on it, and fucking go rip. Boys, got the wheels back on. Pretty much the best eyeball alignment I can give it. I gotta take that wheel back off and make the fucking brake dust shield clear. Let's see how much angle we got now. Holy shit. Damn. That's a lot of fucking angle, dude. What are we rubbing on in here? Oh shit, we're rubbing on the frame. Is that all we're rubbing on though? Damn, okay. Dude, E46 baller as fuck. Perfect. This thing's got some fucking angle now.
Let her fucking eat. None of that chit chat. bad for a kid his age, I'll tell you what. Hell yeah!
This thing eats,
Yeah.
dude. The self steer's there.
Alignment good?
Alignment's great,
Let's
dude.
go.
EM alignment is great.
Let's go. Good job. All set.
Oops.
Hell yeah.
Dude,
Let's go. She
this
eats
thing
now?
eats.
She eats now, huh? It looked good.
Oh, dude, the steering's so much better now.
Yeah, it looked like it looked great.
Dude, you were right, bro. This shit's cheating.
It's cheating, ain't it?
It's cheating.
It's cheating.
Straight cheating.
Yeah, it feels like your car just feels unstoppable.
Dude, I could go forever.
Forever, like it
Forever.
do anything.
Yeah.
Got a guy walking reaction.
Fuck yeah, I seen him.
Yeah.
I seen him whenever.
I got him on film.
I was scared because I've driven your car. Your car is the only car I've ever driven with angle.
Yeah, you're like, wait, this is gonna be my test run. I was like, dude.
Alibaba kit is installed, and it actually after the EM alignment feels pretty fucking good, dude. It feels just like the car did before, just with unlimited angle. I mean, it's a little bit stiffer, you know, with all Heim joints and shit, but I'm very happy. I think the $230 that I spent and the month I spent waiting for it to come in was very well worth it. I'm obviously still going to be daily in the car, so we'll see how it lasts. EM hasn't had, you know, any issues with his. E46 hater hasn't had any issues with his, and he was daily driving his for well over a year. As long as I bolt check on like a pretty regular basis, it should be good. I need to go from a 225/45 up front to a 215. I mean, I don't need to, but I'd like to, just to avoid like as much camber wear as possible. I'd like to pull some camber out of the front. But on the need to do list is I need to flare my quarter panels so I can run a bigger tire and zero out my camber, because now that I got angle, I need more forward bite so that I can keep up. You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments if you enjoy videos of me working on the car, or if you just want to see me straight dogging this bitch. I enjoy making both, but you know, I don't want to like put out shit that no one's gonna watch. Everyone's gonna be like, yo, he uploaded, but then it's like, oh, it's just a video of him working on it. It's not even him drifting it. I mean, every video is gonna have me drifting in it somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Let me know, gang.